Hey guys, Tony here. So I did have a couple people ask me about GameStop and where I think it's going. I think it's gonna trade down. It broke trend. I think it's gonna easily hit 150 again. On the daily, you see it actually broke, or it actually closed on the daily bullish on October 5th. All it's been doing is trading sideways. I'm expecting another draw, another leg down, once the 4 hour actually hits, closes bearish all over again. Last time we actually closed bearish, you had a nice drop from what 190 all the way down to 167. So pretty clear. What is that? 23, like a $23 drop. If we drop 23 bucks, that's a pretty clear 150 forecast right there. So I mean, 23 bucks to the low side, 123. See, 22.88. That's essentially another perfect drop to 150. So as soon as this 4 hour actually closes bearish right here, I'm expecting a $23 drop down to 150 for GameStop. On the weekly, you're still bearish on the weekly, and you're consistently growing or closing higher candles, right? On the reverse MACD, you close the 5, and then this week, today, it looks like you're gonna close at 8.68. So on average, GameStop likes to go maybe about 9 weeks or so trading sideways or down before another rally up. I'm not gonna be buying anything in GameStop until we actually have a bullish week close. But I think as of right now, it's an easy trade down to 150. I think we're going to go down to 150. I think that might be the floor, but we have to reassess TA once we actually hit that. But I'm looking at the 4 hour chart right now to see when the actual bear close happens, because all you've really been doing right now in this last bull cycle is trading sideways. So as soon as this actually closes a bear candle on the reverse MACD and we have another bear cycle triggered, I'm probably going to be buying puts on GameStop, and we'll kind of go from there. But I think this is an easy drop to 150. But we'll see. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.